So, as usual, we can also going to learn something insightful information from Mr. Chandu. So, one question for you: money will not no object. If money were no object, how would you spend your time and resources? Ultimate goal, whatever we are doing, we are learning everything. The ultimate goal is to get money, right? If it is money is not your objective, then tell me how you will to spend your time and resources beautifully. If money is not an objective for me, whenever I work for it, I will enjoy by doing the work. And whenever I am surrounded with people, I don't rush for the money. I just enjoy with them. This I vibe with them only. Okay. You told that you want to spend with people. Yeah. Why? Because nowadays people are getting situations, in tough situations, they are sitting alone. They are going to trauma and going to some difficult situations, and they are strongly believing that they are having problems. They are going to suicide like that. If I am surrounded with people, people give different give suggestions in that situation. How can I overcome from that problem? So when I am surrounded with people, different people have different aspects and they will suggest me to overcome the problem. If not like that, if I am sitting alone in my own place, I mean difficult situation, I will think nobody there is nobody for me. No, I can't do anything like that. If I think like that, the only destination is going to die. That's the thing. So I always like to spend with people surrounding me and okay. As we discussed with the top word called the people, I want to eagerly want to know from you that what is a long lasting and the important aspect of friendship. And because nowadays, if you see, most of the people are when you trust somebody, either if your friend also, they're going to do something wrongly also. So, in this kind of point of view, what is the problem behind it? Nowadays, people think that whenever they talk with new people, they are thinking that they all are our friends. But is the fact that they're not our friends. If your friend is in any situation, he will help. Even though he have not capable to helping me also, he will search something to help me. Uh, that's the true friendship. But nowadays, we are thinking that here we are all are commanded. We think that we all are friends, but is not correct. We are classmates only. Just like that. If I felt any difficult situation, nobody will come and help me. They will say like that, do like that, do like that. But a true friend can say, and true friend can do that. He only come to me and he will talk with me. What's the problem? What's happening in my life? Okay. He will take my situation as a situation. He work on it. He will help, and I will overcome from that problem. So that's the thing. Don't believe all are our friends. Okay. Yeah, who will be in difficult situation is only our friend or she is only our friend. Okay. So as we are talking about the friendship, I want to ask a final question to you. If I say who is your best friend, who will be the one and why? Hmm. I have one best friend. He is my from childhood. He is in my village. Okay. His name is Gunashekar. Gunashekar. Yeah. Okay. From I think uh, when I started thinking on that day we started we are friends. Until now we are good friends. He won't he won't say if I am asked anything for him, he won't say sorry I don't have like that. Even though you don't have, you will ask someone and arrange me for me. Yeah. Even though if I go to village, my village, he will only come to pick up and drop me for anything. For example, recently I went for an interview to my village. On that day, from going to my village and coming to from here, he handled all these situations. He took me from starting to ending in every situation. And also in my life, I faced so many situations. On the situation, he is only the person who stand up near to me and he helped me a lot. So he's my best and dearest friend from my childhood to until now. And it will continue until I hope will continue to my death also. Great. And one important suggestion you want to give to the people who are in front of you, what it will be? Yeah, problem come to our life like because life is unpredictable. So we can't think what will happen next. So whatever happens, it will happen. So think positively, don't think negative, and overcome it positive in a positive way. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. Yeah, as usual, we are learning so many things from each and every personality. As usual, from Chandu, we learn the best beauty of being a friend and how a friend should be in our life. And also, as a final, he told the thinking positive, how it's going to embrace your life, right? So, our people personality, Sri Lata, continually talking in different aspects. So now I want to learn something from you that if you could change one thing about your past, what would it be and why?
Yeah, one thing I would like to change is actually, as previously my friend Harika said, we all of us decided to go for degree for in a women's college. Like we had another plan like after doing MBA masters like that. Actually, in our family situations, we joined in BTech. If I have a chance, I will change that.
Okay. So, so as a point of your student's life, if I give you any chance to change something in education, what it would be? In your point of view.
Yeah, in my point of view, I would like to encourage the students who in their interested fields as like I won't study what I'm interested. I will motivate them to go their interested side.
Okay. So, as you said just now, in your point of view, what is the meaning of interest?
Interest means like what our heart like if we do like I studied BTech, it's not my interest. Like if I am interested in doing degree, I satisfy myself like as she said.
Okay.
Like we can do more with our interest.
Okay. As we are growing up, we do mistakes and we do not find ourselves that what we exactly like ourselves. As your experience from what you got from your life, could you tell me how we can find our interest and how we can identify it?
Yeah, like we will get an idea like when we are doing the things we can get an idea of what we like one of my hobbies is gardening. I like to plant uh, like I have an idea of doing it as a nursery. Like after completion of my job I would like to plant something. Like every student can get their interest during their some phase.
Okay. So when you found this
In engineering.
in engineering, why it happens?
Like there is a session like planting
Okay.
in our college. Like I am very interested in doing that,
Mhm.
and I went first and took the initiative, and then I loved it.
Great. So I have a final question for you. what are some lessons you have learned from your failure and how you have shaped your approach to life?
Failure is like I haven't faced many situations like that. One thing I will say is you should learn from the mistakes and never repeat it again. Like as a quotation said, failure is stepping stone to success. Just learn from the mistake and never repeat it.
Okay, wonderful. One suggestion you want to give to your friends, what it would be?
Like one suggestion is like never give up any time. Always be with hope. Might God have planned something good for what you hope.
Thank you.